iPhone 17, Apple's latest upgrade. Let's break down every feature in just a few minutes, shall we? Design: sleek aluminum frame, ceramic shield glass on the front, color-infused back with 5 options: black, white, mist blue, sage, and lavender. So vibrant. Display: 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED, smooth ProMotion with 120Hz refresh rate, dynamic island on top, always on display, and crazy brightness, up to 3000 nits outdoors. Main camera: 48-megapixel main camera with sensor shift stabilization, sharp, bright, and steady shots. Ultra-wide camera: 48-megapixel, ultra-wide 120-degree view, great for landscapes and group photos. Front camera: 18-megapixel selfie camera with autofocus. Center stage keeps you in frame during video calls. So cool. Zoom: 2x optical zoom in, 2x zoom out, up to 10x digital zoom. Versatile, right? Video: 4K Dolby Vision up to 60 FPS, cinematic mode in 4K, action mode for smooth handheld shots, plus slow-mo, time-lapse, and macro video. Chipset: powered by the A19 chip, faster CPU, stronger GPU, and smarter neural engine. Storage: comes in 256 or 512 gigabytes. Plenty of room for apps, photos, and videos. Battery: up to 30 hours of video playback. Fast charging: 50% in about 20 minutes, MagSafe and Qi 2 wireless charging up to 25 watts. Connectivity: full 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, ultra-wideband chip, NFC, and only eSIM. No physical SIM slot. Safety: Face ID, crash detection, emergency SOS via satellite, roadside assistance, and Find My even without network coverage. Lifesavers: durability, IP68 rated, water resistant up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, dust resistant too. Software: runs on iOS 26 with Apple Intelligence built in. Smarter suggestions, smarter apps. Environment: made with recycled aluminum, cobalt, lithium, and more. Eco-friendly packaging. So, that's the iPhone 17. Which feature is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tech Explained.